Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm about to do an unboxing. I don't even know what's in this box. It could either be a drone or it could be a cake. Looks like a cake box, doesn't it? Stay tuned and we'll find out. Before we get started, if you're not already a subscriber to Ready Set Drone and you do like drones, then I suggest you hit that subscribe button because we talk a lot about different drones, including DJI camera drones and other brands of camera drones. Today, I have here what I believe is not a cake, even though the cake box is what it came in. I believe this is the brand new DJI Mavic 3. And boom, there is the actual bag that it comes in. And by the way, this bag is quite hefty and quite heavy because it's the Fly More combo. It has the bag, it has several accessories, has spare batteries, spare props, all that stuff. And first impression of this bag right out of the box is it's a heavy duty canvas. Like I said, it's pretty heavy. It's got a nice strap here. It's got metal buckles. If you listen to that, you hear that? That's metal. That's really good. I appreciate that kind of thing. This, by the way, is not going to be a review. I have a whole review video of this drone. This is just the unboxing, so you can kind of see what comes in the Fly More combo. So again, really nice, heavy duty, hefty canvas bag with the DJI logo in the front. And by the way, this bag actually converts into a backpack. So you unzip part of it, some straps come out, and you can wear it on your back. And that would be a good thing because, as I said, this is kind of heavy. Now, a lot of us have been flying Air 2S's or minis or FPV drones that are a lot lighter weight than this. And so feeling the weight of this thing makes me think, wow, there's got to be a lot in here. So let's get it open and see what comes in the bag that came in the cake box. Listen to that. That's just a good sound. Okay, ta-da! And as I open it, all you see is another box. And let's get right to this. Boom, there it is. The Mavic 3 with its bridle on, because this thing is a racehorse. Not literally a race, but it's fast, I will tell you that. So it's got its bridle sitting right there, comes with the props already attached. I believe this is kind of gonna be the new gimbal guard for it. And then in here is a box that has the instructions. So the quick start guide in both English and Chinese, accessory user guide, as well as some safety guidelines right there. And then we've got the USB-C plug, which plugs into the charger, which in my case, I think this is either Chinese or Australian. This is not a US plug, so I'll have to do a workaround on that, but that's okay. But it has a universal end, which is the USB-C, which means that if you plug this into the charger, no matter what country you're in, as long as you have the right adapter for your transformer, it's gonna be just fine. I think they're all standard of 5 volts. I really appreciate that, by the way, when drone companies give you a USB-C charger and not a proprietary one. Way to go, DJI. You've got a filter kit right here. I'm assuming this is a filter kit. Yep, there it is. We've got 4 filters. It looks like there are 4 different shades of neutral density. I think it's 4, 8, 16, and 32. All right, that's nice that they included that. And by the way, looking at these, you can tell it's a very unique camera shape. It's actually a dual camera, and we're gonna talk more about that in the review, but these are designed specifically to fit on this one, which is not your usual kind of standard camera. So you're gonna need very specific filters for your camera lens. And then of course you have your different types of power cables here, or cables for your, I think these are called OTG cables on the go, USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to micro USB, and then hopefully a USB-C to Apple. Oh, which that one may already be in the remote control. You got a whole bunch of props. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 entire sets of props in addition to the ones that are on it. So you got 12 propellers total. And that is what's in this box. Oh, there's a pair of spare sticks for your remote control, and I'm pretty sure that the remote has a pair already on it. All right, let's dig deeper into the box. into the bag here. And again, very nice heavy duty bag, canvas bag. Has this little flap that pops up, and under that flap you've got your triple charger. This charges 3 batteries at one time. Actually, it charges 3 batteries in sequence, but you can put all 3 in. It'll do 1, 2, and 3, so you can leave it going overnight or whatever. And this is where the USB-C cable comes in handy, connects to it. And again, really nice because you don't have to worry about a different charger for a different country or a different plug. As long as you have a USB-C cable connected to it, you can charge this guy up. And then in the box, there is battery 1. There is battery 2, and battery 3 is actually already installed on the drone. Here's your USB-C cable. So as I said, I got this plug that I can't use, and this is permanently attached, by the way. And by the way, this has a USB-A outlet on the back of it, so you could charge both the drone batteries using the USB-C cable, and then you could charge your remote control using this USB-A cable. Using that. But again, I can't use this because it's the wrong thing. Also, I was hoping, when I messed with it, I was hoping this end would pop off, that this would be a removable piece right here, so you could actually just change the plug adapter, but I don't think it does. I'm gonna do a little more research. Maybe you can pop it off with a screwdriver. I don't know, but it didn't come with any other adapters. That would be kind of nice if it came with like 2 or 3 different adapters for US, UK, etc. All right. And then we have the remote, which looks very, very much like the Air 2S remote, looks a lot like the Mini 2 remote. It's the style they're going for, has these nice rubberized things in the back, has 2 sticks already in the bottom, so the sticks are not installed, but all you have to do is pull them out of this little holder here in the bottom and then twist them in to install them. The nice thing about that is if you are going somewhere and you want to throw this in a backpack or something, you're not going to worry about your sticks breaking or ruining your gimbals here. These are called gimbals, the little things that turn. So it's nice to be able to transport it with these in there. It makes it much more low profile. And so we'll set that right there. And then we also have, oh, this actually did not come in it. I put that in there. This is the charger for my smart controller, completely unrelated, but because this was the wrong one, I put this in there so that I could have a charger, so I could charge the batteries. And that is all that's in this little pocket here. And then within the bag, there are several other pockets. There's a pocket here in the front that I suppose you could put the manuals and stuff in if you wanted to get rid of this box. And then there's this big zipper here, and this is where you can actually convert the backpack or the bag into a backpack. So you unzip this right here, this folds down, and then you've got these backpack straps, and I think the way it works is these come over the front like this, and then they clip to these little metal rings like so, and this is also metal. It's all metal, which is, again, nice, high quality. It's not going to break as easily as plastic. And then this becomes a backpack strap. So if you want to wear it as a backpack, you can pull it out like that, do so, and then you have this top. You still have access to this top little folder here where you could put like a tablet or a sandwich if you're hungry, you know, whatever. In there, something flat is my point. And a book if you're going to be reading while you're traveling. But yeah, really nice that this converts to, oh, and actually that's a pretty big, it's actually a pretty big space once that is, there's quite a bit of room in there once this is up and over. I haven't worn it as a backpack yet. I'm going to try that out to see how it feels. But like I said, this has several zippers. Oh, let's see. Okay, so there's 4 zippers around the outside of this. And my assumption is that these 4 zippers create a pass-through. Yes, they do, both this way and this way. Oh, wait, and I found something else in here. Another strap of some sort. I believe the purpose of this pass-through is so that you can, oh, well, let's see, hold on. Oh, this might be a waist strap. Yeah, this is probably a waist strap that goes around your waist. Yeah, that's what that must be. So maybe you can wear this thing like a fanny pack as well if you wanted to. Yeah, interesting. Or just a low strap thing that sits on your hips. That's the other thing that this looks like it could be. But again, metal buckles. All listen to this. Hear that? That's really satisfying. Yeah. So another strap here. I guess that's what this is for. And then I assume the reason this goes all the way through is because I know if you're traveling and you have a rollerboard, you can pull the handle of the rollerboard up. You can actually run it through this all the way through, and then it'll just sit on the back of that rollerboard on top of it, and it doesn't fall off. That's something I've seen people do with briefcases and such. So A+ for the bag, DJI. Really nice. So again, this is not a review. It's just an unboxing of the DJI Mavic 3 Fly More combo. You get this nice bag. You get 3 batteries, 2 here, 1 in the drone. You get the gimbal guard / prop guard. It's an all-in-one kind of thing that actually keeps everything secure. You get your charger with your USB cable. Again, this is the actual one that came with it, but this is the wrong country for me, so I am using this one. Basically the same thing. It doesn't come with both. You get your 3 battery tray, you get your remote control, you get your filter set, you get your manuals, you get your cables for different phones, and your spare propellers, a total of 12 propellers, including the ones that came on it. I am always a big fan of the Fly More combos for these types of setups. If you're getting a new drone, getting it with 1 battery is okay. And if that's where you got to start for a price, that's great. But if you can afford to get the Fly More combo, you get these little extra things like the bag and the extra batteries and the extra props that help you have more flight time and a little more peace of mind that if you do bend a prop or something, you're going to be good to go, and that you can have plenty of flight time. So I'm going to stop there. If you have questions or comments about the DJI Mavic 3 Fly More combo, put them in the comments below. I will be sure to answer as many people as I can. And if you really want to see more detail about this, go check out the review I did of it that is online as well, that tells you all the ins and outs, camera specs, flight capabilities, etc. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time on Ready, Set, Drone.